Welcome. In today's guide, you're going to learn how to enable alert notifications for reminders on Messenger. This updated walkthrough will show you the exact steps you need to follow, so you never miss an important reminder again. It's easy, quick, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up just the way you want. Let's jump straight into it. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where we can manage how different apps send us notifications. Once you're inside your phone settings, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This section shows you every app installed on your device. Next, look for Messenger in that list and select it. Messenger's app settings will now open, giving you different options to manage storage, data, and notifications. Since our focus is on reminders, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice several different categories. These categories help you decide which types of alerts Messenger is allowed to send. To move forward, tap on Notification Categories. From here, scroll until you find Reminders. This is the exact section that controls whether or not Messenger will alert you when you set a reminder inside the app. Go ahead and tap on Reminders to open its settings. Now, you should see a few options for how reminders can be delivered. To make sure you actually hear and see them instead of only receiving a silent notification, select Alert. By switching to Alert, you'll activate sound and visual notifications whenever Messenger sends you a reminder. This way, you'll always get a clear notification instead of a quiet one that might slip past unnoticed, and that's all there is to it. By going through these quick steps, you've now enabled alert notifications for reminders on Messenger. From now on, when you set a reminder with Messenger, your phone will notify you clearly, ensuring you never miss a task, event, or follow-up. Take a moment to test it out if you like, and once you see it working, you'll know you have everything set up correctly. Thanks for watching.